All right, everybody, John here with Luxe. We're looking at a C6 Corvette. This lens is pretty badly damaged. Evidently, it's pretty common on these models. None of the fissures go all the way through the lens, so we're safe to wrap this. We're hoping that we get a little bit more gloss out of the wrap until he gets replacement lenses. I'm going to show you how easy this car is to do with the new LightWrap film. This is our light smoke, so it's still going to let plenty of light through, so the car can, so you can easily see driving at night. You see, this light's very easy. All I really want to do is just glass out as much of the light as possible, and then we'll just help it down the rest of the way. There we go. Almost done. Pull a little bit more and just lay the film on the lens. There we go. The film's completely applied to the lens now. There is like a spongy rubber grommet all the way around this light. So I'm gonna tuck it as best I can and then trim it so that we don't see the edge. I'm freeing the tint film off of the painted surface of the car. So when I tuck, I get nice and deep and up against that spongy rubber. There we go, got the film exactly where I want it. You can see that it's not perfectly clear. There are some dull spots on the film. That's actually just a transfer of the wax from the backing paper onto the face of this film when it's round into a roll. So it's very easy to remove. You do it by post-heating, which we need to do anyways to make sure that the film accepts this new shape. You're gonna do that by getting to 200 degrees. You can do it with a torch if you're comfortable. If not, a heat gun is perfectly fine. As soon as you see the vinyl gloss out, you know you've applied enough heat and you can move on. There we go. I don't see any more spots, so I know that film is nice and post-heated. Now all I'm going to do is wait for it to cool down. So if I try to cut while it's not cool, I'm going to create little jagged edges. There we go. Now using no pressure, I'm going to cut, and I am cutting on the lens of the vehicle, right at the edge where that seal starts. All right. All we have to do now is clean up any little extra parts where the cut wasn't perfect, like this. Remove that little bit of film. And there you go. That's a completed install of our light smoke film on a C6 Corvette headlight. Thanks for watching.